If you wish to lose weight, understand that you'll be beginning on a long-term adventure that will provide major health benefits. Rather than starting a fad diet, begin by making small changes to your diet and lifestyle to achieve moderate weight loss goals. Concentrate on eating complete, wholesome foods and staying active. Keep track of your progress and update your goals as you observe progress, and you'll be well on your way to a healthier, happier self in no time. As we jump right in, kindly subscribe to our channel, like and share the video with family and friends. Here are the 10 best ways to lose weight fast. As a teenager. Number 10. Cut back on processed foods. While having a treat now and then is absolutely healthy for you, eating too many processed foods can lead to weight gain and make weight loss more difficult. The majority of processed foods are high in calories but deficient in fiber, protein, vitamins, and minerals. Meals and snacks should be made up of full, nutritious foods like vegetables, fruits, healthy fats, and proteins if you're attempting to live a healthier lifestyle. Candy, fast food, sugary baked products, and chips should be appreciated as a special treat rather than consumed on a daily basis. Instead of relying on processed convenience foods, you can get involved in the kitchen and prepare fresh meals and snacks using whole, healthy ingredients. Also, don't drink your calories. All of those sodas and energy drinks are filling you up with calories that aren't satisfying you. Water is the ideal calorie-free beverage to accompany any meal while also keeping your body healthy. Replace your frappuccino with a cup of black coffee if you need a boost in the morning. Number 9. Try mindful eating practices. Mindful eating entails paying close attention to your food in order to improve your eating relationship, body awareness, and food control. Teenagers frequently consume meals and snacks on the fly, or while watching TV or using their phones, which can lead to overeating. Mindful eating habits, such as eating slowly, dining at a table, and digesting food thoroughly, can help you maintain a healthy weight and improve your relationship with food. Furthermore, studies show that mindful eating might help you make less impulsive food decisions, potentially leading to a healthier body weight. Parents and siblings can encourage teens who are striving to create healthier eating habits to practicing mindful eating. Number 8. Set a realistic goal for yourself. Losing excess body fat is an excellent method to improve your health. It's crucial, though, to set realistic weight and body image objectives. While it is crucial for overweight teens to lose extra body fat, the focus should always be on improving health rather than body weight. For some teens, setting a reasonable weight target can be beneficial, but modifying diet and increasing physical activity can be far more effective in the long run. It's vital for kids to have healthy role models and to recognize that everyone's body is different. Teen weight reduction success is linked to family support and education at home and at school, which can help maintain healthy lifestyle changes. Number 7. Avoid eating when you are full or feeling down. Pay attention to how your stomach feels during a meal. Put down your utensils and clear your plate as soon as you start to feel full so you don't feel tempted to eat more. Don't pick up a food to pass the time if you're bored, unhappy, or exhausted. Instead of snacking late at night, sip water or herbal tea to satisfy your hunger. Offer to bring a healthier snack, such as hummus, for everyone to share if your friends like to nibble on junk foods. Number 6. Reduce stress and get enough sleep. Stress produces hormonal changes, such as a rise in the hormone cortisol, which can lead to an increase in hunger and weight gain. While it's fine to have some stress in your life, too much stress might sabotage your weight loss efforts. Yoga, meditation, gardening, exercise, and spending time outside can all help to relieve stress and create feelings of calm. Also, getting enough sleep can reduce the feeling of being stressed. If you're stressed out, school therapists or psychologists can help you relax by teaching you stress-relieving skills and offering assistance when you're overwhelmed. If you like this video, kindly give us a thumbs up and share it with family and friends. Number 5. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water is important for overall health and can aid with weight management. You can replace sugary beverages like soda and sports drinks with water. It can lower calorie intake and encourage healthy weight loss. Furthermore, drinking water throughout the day can aid with appetite regulation and reduce the desire to eat when you aren't hungry. Staying hydrated can help you perform better in school and on the field. You can increase your consumption of water by tracking your water intake and having a motivational fitness water bottle. I know that helped me a lot to stay motivated. We have left the link to the product in the description below. Number 4. Use smaller plates and reduce your portion sizes at each meal. At mealtimes, ask for lesser quantities or serve yourself 30 to 50% less than you typically would. To avoid being tempted to clear your plate, keep the amount of food on your dish to a minimum. Also, try eating with a smaller dish. If you're still hungry or haven't consumed enough calories, remember that you can always go back for more. Instead than eating a whole chicken breast for dinner, chop it in half and keep the other half for another meal later. Instead of the normal 2 scoops of casserole, tell the lunch lady you only want 1. Just because you have less food on your plate doesn't mean you have to consume it quickly. Chewing slowly will help you lose weight by making your food last longer. Additionally, chewing carefully helps your body digest the stuff you're eating. Number 3. Make sure you are losing weight for the right reasons. You should only embark on a weight loss program or journey if you want to enhance your health, and in turn, your mental and emotional well-being. Not because of what others think of you. Being overweight can lead to undue stress, a negative self-image, and even mental health issues such as depression or a desire to harm oneself. A healthy weight loss plan, with the necessary guidance and emotional support network, might help overcome such concerns. Don't strive to lose weight to please your friends or to resemble your favorite model, or look some type of way. You are beautiful as you are. Remember that. Number 2. Eat a well-balanced diet. Consider nutrient density instead of calorie content, which refers to the number of nutrients a food contains, such as vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Because teenagers are still growing, they have higher nutrient needs than adults, such as phosphorus and calcium. Not only are vegetables, fruits, whole grains, healthy fats, and good protein sources nourishing, they may also help you lose weight. Fiber from vegetables, whole grains, and fruits, as well as protein from sources such as eggs, chicken, beans, and nuts, can help you stay full between meals and reduce overeating. Furthermore, research reveals that many teenagers fall short of nutrient-dense dietary guidelines, emphasizing the need of including these items in your diet. Finally, get physically active. To get physically healthy, you don't need to join a sports team or a gym. Simply sitting less and exercising more is a fantastic method to lose weight. Increased daily activity can help you gain muscle mass, which will help your body burn calories more efficiently. Finding an activity that you actually like, which may take some time, is the key to getting and staying physically fit. Every week, try a different sport or activity until you find one that you enjoy. You may go hiking, biking, walking, soccer, yoga, swimming, and dancing, to name a few activities. Other fantastic strategies to raise activity levels include participating in active hobbies such as gardening or social causes such as a park or beach cleanups. Furthermore, being active has been demonstrated to improve mood and reduce depressive symptoms in teenagers. Teens' health, self-esteem, and overall quality of life can all benefit from losing extra body weight. To achieve your goals, however, it's critical to engage in safe, healthy weight loss activities. Teens can reduce weight by cutting down on added sugars, getting adequate exercise, and eating whole, healthy foods. You should keep in mind that being truly healthy does not imply reaching a certain weight or fitting into a specific size. Some of the best strategies to achieve optimal health are to nourish your body with nutritious foods and to take care of it with physical activity and self-love. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on your notification for more content. Like and share, live healthy, stay healthy.